Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the Algebra 1 EOC. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including question types and covered topics. Next, create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject area. Finally, gather all your study materials, such as textbooks, class notes, and any online resources, to ensure you have everything you need. To truly succeed, you must master the core concepts. Dedicate time to reviewing fundamental algebraic principles like linear equations, functions, and polynomials. Work through a wide variety of practice problems, from basic to more complex, to solidify your understanding. Identify your weak spots early on and focus extra effort on those specific topics. Practice is absolutely crucial for the Algebra 1 EOC. Take several full-length practice tests, simulating actual exam conditions, including time limits. After each practice test, meticulously review every question you answered incorrectly. Understand why you made the mistake and how to correct it. This targeted approach will significantly improve your score. On exam day, proper preparation extends beyond academics. Aim for 8 to 9 hours of sleep the night before to ensure you are well rested. Eat a balanced, nutritious breakfast to fuel your brain and maintain focus throughout the test. Arrive at the testing location at least 15 minutes early, allowing yourself time to settle in and relax.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.